Good afternoon, class 6. Today I am going to start with your English Bliss. So if you have your English Bliss book, so please take it out and turn to page number 29. There we will get the chapter which name is Dutiful Rana. So please take it out and do the class. Shibi Rana was the king of Maharashtra. He was a just and kind-hearted ruler. He was prepared to even sacrifice himself for those who were weak. So what is written here? At the first it is written, the name of the chapter is Dutiful Rana. And after that in bracket it is written, keep your promise. Keep your promise means if you promise something, if you promise to anyone, always maintain that promise, always keep that promise. Whatever may be the situation, whatever will be the consequence, always keep your promise. That is the main agenda of this chapter. So Shibi Rana was the king of Maharashtra. So Shibi Rana, who was he? He was the king of Maharashtra. He was a just and kind-hearted ruler. So he was just means here, he was a proper one. Just means here that proper. Okay. He was a proper and very kind-hearted. Kind-hearted means who is very generous and soft-hearted ruler. Okay. He was prepared to even sacrifice himself for those who were weak. So he was so just and he was so proper and so kind-hearted ruler that he was ready to give his life, his own life, for the sake of his people. Shibi Rana was such a powerful ruler that people used to say the very gods are afraid of him. One day, these gods decided to test Shibi Rana. So what happened? Shibi Rana was a very kind-hearted and just ruler. So he was famous among all the people, among all the citizens. So people also used to say that God, Almighty God will also will be afraid to test Shibi Rana because he was so proper and so kind-hearted and he was so loved by all the people. Okay. So one day this God, that means one day the Almighty decided to test Shibi Rana's sense of justice. And so it happened that as the king was seated in his hall of justice, there flew a frightened dove chased by a fierce-looking eagle. So one day, as I have told that God has decided that to test Shibi Rana. So one day, when Shibi Rana was in his hall of justice, in his court, so at that time what happened, there was a little dove. A little dove flew and it was chased by an angry looking eagle. Okay. Dove is a very little and tiny creature and eagle is bigger than the dove. As the eagle was about to pounce on its prey, the king took the dove into his cloak to shelter it. So as the dove was about to just jump on its prey to take the dove, that time what happened? The king, that means the king who was Shibi Rana took shelter the little dove and he took the little dove into his cloak. Cloak means here, that means the cloth. The eagle was wild with rage and turning to the king cried angrily, "How dare you deprive me of my prey?" So the eagle was very angry and what did the eagle do? Eagle was very angry and he just cried in his angry voice and said that, "Why did you do that? Why you have taken my prey? Why you have taken my food?" "I dare because I am the king of this region and my work is to protect the weak," said the king. "The dove trusts me and has come to me for shelter. Shall I then betray that trust?" So Shibi Rana told that, "I dare because I am the king of this place and I should give the proper shelter to the meek and mild." So here a little dove who was helpless, and I have given the shelter to it. So as a king, I should do this. So why I will not give the shelter to the little dove? If I will not give the shelter to the little dove, so it will be I will betray the little dove. So I should not do this as a king. You saved the dove and starved me of my food. So the eagle, fierce looking eagle, said that, okay, if you have, I know that you have saved the dove, but as you have saved the dove, so what about me? You have saved the dove and I am starving. As you have saved the dove, so I will not have the food. So I am starving here. What about me? Is this your idea of justice? Asked the predator. Predator means here, that means the hunter. So the fierce looking eagle said that, is this your sense of justice? And for that reason you are being called a good king. Why? What about my justice? What about my food? I am a hungry creature. So why didn't you give me my food? Okay. So what happened? Now see. Oh, my friend, if it is food you need, then I am ready to give you an equal quantity of any other food you name, said the king. So king said that, okay, my friend, if you want only the food, then obviously whatever you ask, you just ask me, I will give a very good amount, a sound amount of the food. And it's not about the sound amount, it's about that whatever you want the food, you just ask me, I will be giving you the same amount of the little dove. Any food, any other food that I name, repeated the wicked eagle. The king nodded his assent. So the wicked eagle, that means who is very wicked, means here what to say, that you can say that notorious, naughty. Okay, so the eagle said that, okay, whatever I will ask, will you give me that? So the king said, yes, I will give you. Whatever you will ask, I will give you that at that moment. So you just ask me what you want. Shibirana told that the fierce looking eagle, you want anything instead of dove, I will give you. Now ask, what do you want?